Hey, good morning, everybody. 60 Vet here. I figured I would try to approach Mary Manfix's problem in SketchUp. I am by no means a mathematician. I'm by no means a construction worker. This is all new to me. It's kind of a selfish video in that I'd like to put out there what my thought process is on this. And if I'm making a mistake, please let me know, because that's how you learn. And this is not a tutorial, so I'm going to do this kind of quick. I didn't make my mouse into a big yellow mouse so that you can follow me. So, again, this is not meant to show you how to do it. It's just I want to get to the end result as soon as possible. So I started off by drawing a 3 or 11 by 3/16 square, which is basically the measurement of A. Okay, and what I want to do is I'm going to find the middle of that, so I know where the center point is, and I'm going to make this whole thing a group because I want to delete it when I'm done. Okay, I'm going to take my shape. I already have it set up to 8 for an octagon. I'm going to draw the octagon, taking it out to the end, and click on it, and then I'm going to erase the square. So that leaves me with the octagon. I'm going to find the center point, draw a line up. Oops. The center point up, and I'm going to make one piece and delete the rest. And I'm going to push that up to 1/2 inch. The only reason I'm making this thicker is because when you try to use the measurement tool or the angle tool, it's a lot easier to do it when you're on a face rather than trying to do it on a line. So I'm going to give this a shot here. If I go from there to there and I go up 20 degrees, this may be one of the areas where I'm messing up my thought process, but it was mentioned, Married Man mentioned a 20-degree pitch, so I'm assuming that's what that means. So, and I'm just going to connect, I'm going to follow that dotted line, connect that up there. I went with a 1/2 inch thick, so I'm going to come down here, 0.5, and make a mark, and draw that line in. So that should give me the angle of my piece. And I'm just going to delete some of these lines that we don't need, and then reconnect that one, reconnect that one, and that should be your piece on a 20-degree angle. If we put the octagon back in, start from there. Okay, that looks like it should be it. So now if we measure these from that point to that point, it's 4 5/8, which I believe is 16th off. And if we use the tape measure and do one of the sides come out 6 7/16. And if we go down the center, I come up with 6 inches. So 6 inches down the center, 6 7/16 on the edge, 4 5/8 across the back. This angle here would be, I would assume, would have to be 20 degrees on the face and the back end, unless you do something with an overhang or whatever. And I think that's it. I don't know if there's any other measurements. If we add in another piece, just real quick here, go up 1/2 inch, connect that guy, and connect that guy. That would show you your second piece in place. These are at 90s. The edges of the pieces are at 90s. So I don't know that you need an angle there. If we go into X-ray mode, you can see that it fits flush along the edge. Yeah, looks pretty good. So anyway, I just thought I would give that a shot and see what you all think of it, if it helps it out or muddies the water even further. So that's it. Just thought I'd give it a shot and put it out there for you. Take care.